We often get stuck and feel running out of creative juice and we don't know what to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways you can try and little steps you can make to let the creative juice flow again. And the first idea is to do the morning pages or the writing exercise every day. And you can write anything. Some people like to write it for a set time, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you can have the set pages, maybe 3 pages every day, and you do the same every morning or every evening. You can set up your time and do the morning pages. It's more like a brain dump to get everything out of your head, and it's kind of relieving and relaxing, and you also get your thinking going, so your mind is clear again to start fresh. The second idea you can try is just go for a trip, go to nature. You can try to go for a walk in the park, go to the beach, go to the natural environment, or you can just travel to a new place, even just the part of the town you never visit, or visit someplace new, and it gives you a fresh environment. The fresh environment can make you think differently and get you unstuck. The third idea is to teach somebody else, maybe a little kid or somebody who needs help. And when you are teaching other people or helping other people, whether it's related to your profession or just anything, you have that teacher-student relationship, and usually the feedback will make yourself feel more valuable, and maybe you can get your self-confidence back and you are ready to create something new again. The fourth idea you can try is to really look into your inner self. What's the belief system and the ideas you have that make you think you are so stuck and nowhere to go? Maybe you can do some meditation or talking to somebody you trust. When we have a true conversation with ourselves through meditation or writing or talking with a good friend, you can understand yourself better, your strengths and weakness, and most of them are shaped by our experience when we were younger or when we were little. And maybe you have to examine that and see what we can change and see which part is the truth and which part we just want to believe it that way because the way we grow up. And maybe there's something we can change that will make our outcome better in the future. The next idea you can try is to make sure you are in a positive environment, such as supporting friends or family, or even books or videos that's inspiring to you, and set up the physical environment to be positive. You clean up your space, set it up nicely, and you will feel more inspired to work when you have all the supplies and everything is ready for you. The next idea is to carry a notebook or sketchbook with you all the time. No matter where you go, if there's any idea come to your mind or you feel something because of what you see or what you experience, you can write it down or sketch down all your ideas. And later you can look back through your notebook and get the ideas for your next project. And the last idea I have is to do something that's totally unrelated to your own project. The idea is to do something totally unrelated to your current project and put your mind somewhere else. And especially when you do some physical activities such as exercise or the household chores, cleaning up your space or organize your drawer or do some yoga. This type of physical activity can put your mind somewhere else and you can take a break from your current project, and it's easier to let you have a fresh start. So that's the 7 points I have. You can try to unblock your creativity and start fresh. I hope this is useful for you, and thank you for watching this video. I will talk to you next week.